Guys, it was so busy at the train station. It took like forever to reach my destination. Anywho, I managed to reach it. Let's start this vlog, shall we? As we're taking a walk across the Kwaku Festival. It's in the morning, so it's a little bit silent. In the next vlog, I will visit this festival and show you around. In this vlog, we're going to the Straat Museum. It's called the Street Museum in Amsterdam North, and what they have is street art, graffiti. I have no idea what to expect, but I'm going there and I hope to be pleasantly surprised. It's already kind of warm in the city. We've waited so long for the summer, so today it's finally going to happen. It's going to be 26 degrees and tomorrow it's going to be 30 degrees. When it comes to weather, you never know what to expect in the Netherlands. It's summer, but we're waiting, and the sun for some reason is not shining so bright that we can walk and wear our summer gear. But yes, this weekend it's finally going to happen. So if you want to reach the Straat Museum, the Street Museum, you have to take the ferry at Amsterdam Central Station. It's totally free, so don't let that stop you from visiting. If you want to get in, the ticket price is about €90 per person. There are multiple ferries at Amsterdam Central Station going to different destinations. So the ferry that you need to have is the one that goes to NDSM Wharf. The museum opens from Monday 12 o'clock to 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and from Tuesday to Sunday from 10 o'clock in the morning to 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So what can you see in the Straat Museum? You can see Keith Haring, Banksy, and all kinds of other artists. Street art has made an impact on art, fashion, design, advertising, and culture at large, and it's stronger than ever. So when you enter Straat, you're going to get a wonderful experience. It's a museum for street art and graffiti. The museum aims to share their passion for this radical art movement with the public, showcasing some of the biggest names and upcoming talents from all over the world. Straat, that's the official name of the museum, is a street art and graffiti museum for everyone, made possible by a dedicated team of enthusiasts. Their current exhibition displays more than 180 artworks by 170 plus artists. The artworks were created on site, and most of these mind-blowing visual experiences are as big as outdoor walls. So mooi. So when you check out information on this museum, they say as a museum they provide added value of context and information. It's the ultimate chance for you as a visitor to get to know the stories that remain untold in the streets. OMG, I'm totally hyped by this SpongeBob SquarePants artwork. By now, I bet you want to know more about Straat. Straat resides in an 8,000 square meter former warehouse on the NDSM Wharf, both a national monument and the biggest outdoor playground for street art and graffiti in Amsterdam. They offer a total museum experience as well as educational opportunities and guided tours to answer all your street art questions. Visiting this museum is guaranteed to make you look at your surroundings with a refreshed pair of eyes. What I also noticed in this museum that there were a lot of students who were practicing their skills, their drawing skills. So it's a place to express yourself. This museum also features a lot of American art, Asian art. I noticed there was like a strong presence of Native American influence. I loved it all the way. You know, sometimes there are certain things you cannot express through words, but then again, those things that you can express, it's possible to make it visible through paint. Guys, I'm so curious. Please share in the comment section what your favorite artist is and why I need to check them out. And how do you feel about the collection that you're seeing on the screen at the moment? This museum also had this cute little shop where you can buy books about hip-hop and the origins of street arts, t-shirts, and everything street art related. I'll rate this museum an 8 out of 10. Guys, I know I'm sounding like a hype woman at the moment, but you really need to check out this museum. The collection changes every time. There's never a dull moment. So if you're in Amsterdam, please go. You will not regret it. So I'm slowly making my way outside. Outside there's so much more to see, but you know, the sun was hot that day. It was a Saturday. I wasn't really feeling like going from square to square. So, you know, I just filmed a couple of scenes and then I made my way to a terrace to have a lemonade. Thanks for watching. See you in the next vlog.